concept regarding stock and purchase account correct. So when I am preparing stock account, this is stock account, correct. So I have written on 1/4/2016 or 20 to balance brought down. Suppose 10,000 was the opening balance, and then we open one purchase account. Purchase account, and suppose we purchase during the year, we purchase to cash or creditor. To cash or creditor means either it will be in cash or in credit. We purchase what? 90,000. We purchase in 90,000 during the year, correct. So during the 12 month we purchase. So suppose this is from 1/4 to 31st March, correct. Now, so during this 12 month we purchase what? 90,000. Are you able to understand what I am saying? Have you understood this point? Now, abhi don't ask me any further question till I complete each and every point. Listen, correct ना? आप बहुत ज़्यादा उत्तेजित हो जाते हो. Once I complete, then you throw your questions, correct? So can I say this opening balance represent what? This represent goods purchased in previous year, correct, which remain unsold. And this purchase account, this represent what? Goods purchased during the year. Have you understood this point? Means, can I say opening stock is 10,000 and purchase during the year is 90,000. तो बताओ, how much goods is available for sale in the current year? My question to you all, what is the total goods available for sale? What is the total goods available for sale? बताओ. What is the total goods available for sale? Opening stock is 10,000. We purchased 90,000. So what is the total goods which is available for sale during the year? 1 lakh. So can you say this is the goods available for sale? 1 lakh. Correct. Now out of this 1 lakh, we sold 80,000 and unsold is 20,000. My question to you all, कि बताओ what is the expense and asset of current year? Means expense and asset at the end of the year means how much expense will be recognized for current year, how much will be the asset at the end of the year, what will be the asset at the end of the year, ये बताओ. Out of 1 lakh, 80,000 is sold and 20,000 is what? Unsold. So how much asset at the end of the year, how much expense of the year? बताओ. Everyone respond. Very good. So this will be an expense. This will be an asset. This will be an asset. But as per which concept? This is as per which concept? This is as per which concept? Everyone respond. As per which concept? As per matching concept. Correct. Very good. Excellent. So this we are doing as per matching concept. Matching concept means this should go to SOPL and this should go to balance sheet. Are you able to understand? Correct. Means can I say now we need to do some adjustment in these two accounts. We'll do some adjustment in these two accounts. We'll do some adjustment in these two accounts. Bolo yes or no? Means we need to now convert these two accounts in expense and asset because 10,000 and 90,000 is total goods available for sale. But we need to now convert into expense and asset account. Correct now? Are you able to understand? We call it stock adjustment. Stock adjustment. Are you able to understand? Correct. Have you understood? So some adjustment is required in these two account. Some adjustment is required in these two account. Are you able to understand? Bolna yes or no? Correct? Bol. Let down. To apply matching concept to apply matching concept some adjustment is required in stock account and purchase account correct. Understood this point? Such adjustment can be made before or after preparing trial balance. Such adjustment can be made before or after preparing trial balance. Correct? If such adjustment is done before preparing trial balance, then what will do? Understood? If such adjustment is done before preparing trial balance, then what we'll do? Are you able to understand? So I am saying before preparing trial balance, if we'll do such adjustment, then what we will do? Are we able to understand what I am saying? Yes, sir. It means, can I say, just try to understand. We have two account, stock. अच्छा एक काम करते पहले journal entry. What will be that adjustment entry? So write down point number 1. For opening stock, correct? My question to you all, we have these two account, stock account and purchase account. If you want to transfer this 10,000 to purchase account, अगर आप यहां लिखना चाहते हो तो बताओ what journal entry you will do? Correct now. If you want to transfer opening stock to purchase account, because the total goods available for sale is 1 lakh, not 90,000. So you need to close opening stock account and transfer it to which account? Purchase account. तो बताओ क्या एंट्री पास करोगे? What journal entry will do? Form करो. Means purchase will increase and stock will decrease. Purchase will increase and stock will decrease. बताओ. Have you understood what I am saying? So purchase will increase and stock will decrease. What journal entry you will do? बोलो. What journal entry you will do? Purchase account debit to stock. Don't say opening stock. So can I say? We'll say purchase account debit to stock. You can write down this is opening. Account is always stock account, but this represents opening stock. Have you understood? Very good. Can I say this is increase in purchase by 10,000? Purchase account बोल रहा हूं and decrease in stock by 10,000. Correct. Understood. Correct. So can I say with this what happened? कि we have written यहाँ पर by purchase. You don't write. I will once again write down. By purchase 10,000. इसको मत लिखो, वापस से लिखाऊंगा, पहले समझ जाओ. And यहाँ लिखेंगे to stock 10,000. So you can see stock account is closed. Stock account is closed. Opening stock खत्म हो गया. Opening stock has been transferred to purchase account. Now what is the total of purchase? 1 lakh. Now out of 1 lakh, बताओ how much, everyone, out of 1 lakh, how much is closing stock? Means which is unsold. बताओ. Out of total 1 lakh, how much is unsold? Out of total 1 lakh, how much is unsold? $20,000. So can you say now we should decrease purchase and increase stock? बोले yes or no? Means 1 lakh should be decreased by 20,000 and this 20,000 should be transferred to stock account. Means increase our stock, which is closing stock. So what journal entry will pass? बताओ. Correct. We'll decrease our purchase and increase our stock. बोलो yes or no? What journal entry will pass? Everyone respond. बोलो. Stock account debit to purchase. Very good. Stock will increase and purchase will decrease. Means we write down यहाँ पर to purchase now. Means what will be journal entry? बताओ. Point number 2. For closing stock. What journal entry? We'll say stock account debit. This is closing. This is now closing. To what? Purchase. To purchase 20,000. 20,000. Are you able to understand this point? Stock account debit to purchase. Very good. Everyone has said that only. Stock account debit to purchase. Correct. So it is increase in stock and decrease in purchase. Decrease in purchase. So agar means just try to understand. If I am preparing stock account and purchase account, तो इसका इफेक्ट क्या हुआ चेक करेंगे everyone. तो कैन आई से in stock account first we return two balance brought down 10,000. But this two balance brought down is opening stock or closing stock? This is opening stock. Correct. Then यहाँ लिखिए टू कैश 90,000. Then we posted हमने किया buy purchase 10,000 और यहाँ किया टू stock 10,000. Then we have done buy stock 20,000. Buy stock 20,000. Are you able to understand what I am saying? Correct? Bolo. Buy stock 20,000 and this will be what? To purchase 20,000. Correct? To purchase 20,000. Have you understood this point? Up to this, any doubt? Correct. Now, this two journal entry has been done, but before preparing trial balance कि after preparing trial balance मुझे बताओ. This two journal entry means opening stock adjustment and closing stock adjustment we have done before कि after? Before कि after? Before. It means now we'll balance it. Now we'll balance it. So the buy balance carried down will be 20,000. बताओ. So this 20,000 is the closing balance of stock account. But बताओ this is opening stock की closing stock मुझे बताओ. तो buy balance carried down. This is opening stock की closing stock. Everyone. So can you see now it become closing stock. This is closing stock. Means it is a closing balance of stock account but represent closing stock. But represent closing stock. And can I say this balance is 80,000. Now it become expense. Now purchase account has been converted into expense account. इसको हम balance बोलते हैं. By balance carried down. And now this is known as adjusted purchase. Now it is known as adjusted purchase. Are you able to understand? So now we call it adjusted purchase. Now we call it adjusted purchase. Have you understood this point? Correct. Means now when you prepare trial balance, जब आप trial balance बनाओगे तो बताओ whether opening stock will come or closing stock will come in trial balance. बताओ. In this trial balance, opening stock will come कि closing stock will come. बताओ. Now after this two adjustment entry, when you will prepare trial balance, so in trial balance opening stock will come कि closing stock will come. Everyone respond. Everyone respond. ओपनिंग स्टॉक की क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, अरे हाउ ओपनिंग स्टॉक विल कम, बता। ओपनिंग स्टॉक तो खत्म हो गया ना, दिस बैलेंस 20,000 रिप्रेजेंट क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ना। तो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग 20,000 दैट विल बी क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, मींस नाउ इन ट्रायल बैलेंस यू आर राइटिंग स्टॉक, तो बताओ दिस विल बी क्लोजिंग स्टॉक मींस 20,000। एंड बताओ यू राइट डाउन परचेज की एडजस्टेड परचेज, यू राइट डाउन परचेज की एडजस्टेड परचेज, मुझे बताओ दिस। Now you write down purchase की adjusted purchase, you write down purchase account की adjusted purchase, ये बताओ, because purchase account represent total purchase during the year. Adjusted purchase, so now we write down adjusted purchase, adjusted purchase, how much? 80,000, correct? Are we able to understand? Both will be debit balance only, debit balance. But now it very simple, this is an asset which will go to balance sheet, correct? And this is an expense which will go to SOPL. Therefore I said adjusted purchase is a nominal account, adjusted purchase is a nominal account. Have you understood this point? So adjusted purchase is a nominal account. Have you understood this point? Bolo, have you understood? Very important concept. You ask your senior also who passed CA foundation, they will not be able to answer it कि why opening stock is coming in trial balance. अभी तो मैं closing stock लेके आ गया, means कहने से closing stock may also come in trial balance if the adjustment entry is done before trial balance, if adjustment entry is done before trial balance. So can I conclude, whenever closing stock and adjusted purchase is appearing in trial balance, means can I say stock has been adjusted before trial balance, adjustment entry for stock has been done before trial balance. Bolo yes or no? Have you understood this point? Yes, sir. You all have understood. So can I say if such adjustment is done before, या लिखना है before preparing trial balance, then ये दोनों एंट्री होगा, उसका इफेक्ट ये होगा, and in trial balance it will come stock, closing stock and adjusted purchase. Correct? Understood? Then लिखो point number, next point, if such adjustment is done after preparing trial balance, if such adjustment is done after preparing trial balance, are you able to understand what I am saying? If such adjustment is done after preparing trial balance, correct? Understood? कि adjustment नहीं किया, normally what happen, why we do such adjustment after preparing trial balance? Because closing stock cannot be ascertained easily, उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. Means normally closing stock is derived, the value of closing stock is derived after counting the stock in the premises. आप समझे ना? Suppose we have 1 lakh premises, are you getting, where the stocks are stored, are you getting? So where, suppose we have 1 lakh premises, we have big business, we are large organization, we have 1 lakh premises. So can I say we need to count the stock at year end, which is quite impossible to count at year end at each premises. So it will take some time. So it might happen when trial balance is prepared, we don't know the value of closing stock. So but if you don't know the value of closing stock, can you do such adjustment before preparing trial balance? No. Normally what happens, stock is valued, closing stock is valued after preparing trial balance. Therefore such adjustment are done after preparing trial balance. So if you do, just try to understand, if such adjustment is done after preparing trial balance, तब तो आपने stock account बनाया, this is stock account, and this two balance brought down 10,000, correct? And this is what, purchase account, you are writing purchase account. Are you able to understand? Purchase account, परचेज अकाउंट, यहां लिखा टू कैश 90,000. Now, can I see you do not pass any adjustment entry for stock before preparing trial balance? So can I say you write down, you will balance it now. So when you do balance, by balance carried down 10,000. तो बताओ, this is the closing balance of stock account, but represent opening stock. So can I say when you are writing opening stock, it does not mean opening balance. This is the balance of stock account. Closing balance of stock account before adjustment. Closing balance of stock account before adjustment. But if represent opening stock, ये opening stock represent करता है, ना कि closing stock. Have you understood this point? Are you able to understand what I am saying? So when I am saying by balance carried down, it become closing balance stock account. This is the closing balance of stock account. But but what? This is closing balance of stock account. ये बात समझो, closing balance है. But closing balance before adjustment entry, so it represent opening stock. And purchase में भी कोई adjustment नहीं हुआ. So when you will do by balance carried down, so it is 90,000 only. So this represent purchase during the year. So now बताओ, in your trial balance, opening stock will come कि closing stock will come? बताओ, opening stock will come or closing stock will come? Everyone respond. In your trial balance, opening stock will come or closing stock will come? Opening stock. So I will write down stock. In bracket I will write down opening. Correct. How much? 10,000. And बताओ, purchase will come कि adjusted purchase will come? Purchase will come कि adjusted purchase will come? Purchase will come कि adjusted purchase will come? Purchase will come. Very good. Purchase will come how much? 90,000. Now, can I ask one question to understand whether you have understood or not? If you are giving me correct answer, means you understood. If you are giving me wrong answer, means you have not understood. Correct? Can I ask one question? Yes, sir. My question to you all, but these two will go to, means this 10,000 will go to balance sheet की SOPL. This purchase will go to balance sheet की SOPL. बताओ. This stock purchase, the opening stock and purchase will go to balance sheet or SOPL? Everyone is wrong. सब गलती बताओ. सब बताओ. Whether this 10,000 is an expense of current year, whether this purchase is 90,000 is expense is 80,000, and the stock at the end is 20,000. means this will not go to balance sheet and SOPL, means till now we have not done the adjustment. अभी तो adjustment करना बाकी है ना. सब गलती बोले. स्टॉक विल नॉट, दिस इज नॉट एन एसेट, ये तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक है. इन बैलेंस शीट व्हाट विल गो? क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. बोलो या सुनो. मींस कैन आई से now before preparing financial statement, stock and purchase account should be adjusted, बोलो या सुनो. should be adjusted before preparing. Correct now. So this 10,000, 90,000 is not an expense or asset. Your expense is 80,000. Your asset is 20,000 at the end of the year. Are you able to understand? वही तो आपने बोला by applying matching concept. अब क्यों गलत बोलते हो? Means till now अभी just try to understand. भूल जाओ 11, 12 में क्या किया. Only concentrate on what I am teaching. Correct now. Only concentrate on what I am teaching. Otherwise, once again we'll move to rectification. rectification करना तो रटवा देता हूँ. बोलो रटना चाहते हो? तब मैं फॉर्मेट देना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा. डू यू वांट टू मेक मी टीच इन सच ए वे दैट आई विल टीच इन रेक्टिफिकेशन वे? तो यू ओनली सेड ना कि 80,000 इज एन एक्सपेंस एंड 20,000 इज एन एसेट. तो हाउ कैन यू से दैट 10,000 विल गो टू बैलेंस शीट एंड 90,000 इन एसओपीएल? ये तो गलती हो गया. करेक्ट ना. So can is before preparing financial statement, stock and purchase account should be adjusted. Now my question to you all, everyone, to adjust stock and purchase, बताओ what you want. आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you want? Can you see you want the value of closing stock? Therefore, in this case, they will give some adjustment information, additional information they will give, and they will say closing stock is valued at what? Is valued at 20,000. Is 20,000, because if you don't know the value of closing stock, how you will adjust? Therefore, in exam question, they give value of closing stock outside trial balance as an information, so that you can adjust opening stock, closing stock and purchase by passing adjustment entry. Have you understood this point? Bolo yes or no? Have you understood? Now what adjustment will do? Will do in final account chapter. Means this is a trial balance. This is also correct trial balance. This is also correct trial balance. But once you adjusted it, then no adjustment is required after trial balance. Then 20,000 will go directly to the asset side of balance sheet, and adjusted purchase will go to what? Expense in SOPL. Have you understood this point? Correct. Means यहाँ पर अब आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But in this case, can I say opening stock and purchase and closing stock need to be adjusted before preparing final account. So that will understand in final account chapter. Have you understood this point? Bolo. Have you understood this point? Respond. So there can be two possibilities of stock in trial balance. Either in trial balance, closing stock and adjusted purchase will come. Correct. Or in trial balance, opening stock or purchase will come with an additional information of closing stock. So there are two possibilities of trial balance in exam. So be careful. One is that adjustment stock is done before trial balance. One is done, adjustment stock will be done after trial balance. After trial balance. Understood? Correct. So all adjustment